Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial we are going to talk about how you can change language on Steam, and it will completely updated video with new way. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already in our Steam app. So when you will arrive here, you just need to go over into the top right corner and you will find out your username. You just need to select this one, and then actually you will get couple of options. So from that place you just need to select this one is store preference. Once you click over here, then you will get your account this kind of a detail. So here you can see we have the account details, then we have store preference, we have many things. From that place you will find out an option that called language preference. Just click over here, and from that place you can change the primary language. When possible, display content in this language English. Then here you just need to find it out your language, and then just select that one and you just able to change it as it you want. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.